Hey everybody, and welcome to this Who Is Wednesday. On this Who Is Wednesday, we're going to talk about who are credit union leagues and who are corporate credit unions. Let's start off with credit union leagues. In the United States, a credit union league is really a state-level trade association that's available for credit unions. These are not-for-profit financial cooperatives. And credit union leagues, they hold a primary interest in CUNA, the Credit Union National Association. That means credit union leagues are typically at the state level, and they work with individual credit unions, typically within that state, and then with CUNA at a national level, the Credit Union National Association at the national level. Many credit union leagues were formed through the efforts of the Credit Union National Extension Bureau in the late 1920s. Then in 1934, Congress enacted the Federal Credit Union Act and CUNA was formed. The term league was used because what it really denotes is a mutually supportive organization for the promotion and success of the individual credit unions. Each state in the United States, as well as Washington, D.C., Puerto Rico, and Guam, had its own league. State leagues also designed the corporate credit union model to serve as the credit union's credit union. What? They serve as the credit union's credit union by providing financial services independent of the commercial banking industry. From the 1930s until the 1970s, one of the chief duties of the league system was to promote and help facilitate the chartering of new credit unions. Leagues also operate for-profit service corporations which provide services like ACH processing, credit card processing, commercial printing, ATM networks, and even other services to credit unions and other state leagues. Consolidation of statewide leagues began in the late 1980s and accelerated in the 1990s. Leagues also perform the function of lobbying state legislators for laws that are beneficial to credit unions. In other words, they work at government levels to bring about positive change in the banking industry for credit unions and their members. Now that's a credit union league, and I briefly mentioned a corporate credit union. But what exactly is a corporate credit union? Well, a corporate credit union provides services to credit unions. In the credit union industry, we say there are the credit union's credit union, like I previously said. And in the United States, corporate credit unions may be either chartered by the National Credit Union Administration, NCUA, or under state authority if it's permitted by that state's laws. Now, corporate credit unions are owned by the credit unions that choose to do business with them and provide short-term federal funds and long-term investments. Corporate credit unions also provide financial settlement services through the clearing of payments, like check clearing or ACH, the automated clearinghouse, or EFTs, electronic funds transfers, and even the ATM transaction services and networks. Originally, most states operated their own corporate credit union, which had strong ties to the credit union league operating in that state. Now, there are still several corporate credit unions out there. If you got any questions, you got any comments, would like to learn more about, well, anybody in the industry on one of these Who Is Wednesdays, please message me or you can email me, kevin@paymentsprofessor.com. Until the next video, I hope you have a wonderful Who Is Wednesday, and we'll see you then.